If you're planning to fish in Georgia and you're 16 or older, you'll need a valid fishing license first. The Georgia Wildlife Resources Division issues licenses for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, and even hunting is included under the same system. A basic fishing or hunting license is valid for 365 days from the date you buy it and costs just $15 for residents. These licenses also give you access to state parks and wildlife areas for hiking or birdwatching, for example. If you're a visitor or need a short-term option, there are 1 to 10-day licenses available. Non-residents can pay as little as $10 for a one-day fishing license. If you plan to fish in saltwater, you'll need to get a free Saltwater Information Program permit, often called an SIP. This must be renewed yearly and helps the state manage coastal fisheries effectively. You can get the SIP online, at a licensed vendor, or over the phone. If you want to fish for trout in mountain streams, that requires an additional trout license on top of your basic fishing license. And if you also hunt big game or migratory birds, there are specific add-on licenses for those activities as well. You can purchase your license in 3 ways: online through Go Outdoors Georgia, over the phone, or in person at one of 1,800 license agents across the state. Because Georgia considers those licenses great deals, you also get access to additional options, like a combo fishing and hunting license, and even a lifetime license. Georgia offers discounted lifetime options for residents and seniors. That is it. Thanks for watching.